Okay. Now welcome back to SabiMakeAm team channel. So like I don't tell you now before, we want make liquid multi-purpose soap. Some people they call them soap base, because from here you fit get other things. Okay, now the first thing where we go do for this production now to dissolve our soda ash. See our soda ash here, like I don't tell you before, the quantity now 1/4 kg. I don't put them for water now. Go dissolve them. Some people they dissolve this thing for 2 days. Oh, anyhow where you want do your own, but you know get any side effects. So I go dissolve them now. Turn them well. Now I go like make this thing dey very easy for you, so that anytime where you want do your liquid multi-purpose soap, you go know how to make them very easily. I go like call this bucket A. I go call this one bucket B. So inside my bucket A, I don't put soda ash first. And the first thing where I put be that. Okay. The next thing where I go add now my SLS. What's in be SLS again? I tell you say now sodium laurate sulfate. Sodium laurate sulfate. What I tell you say be foam booster, help to make the liquid soap get plenty lather, get plenty foam. Okay, the next thing where I go add for here now my STPP, sodium tripolyphosphate. STPP. So now bucket A be this. I don't put my soda ash. I don't put my sodium tripolyphosphate. I don't put my sodium laurate sulfate. I don't put all the necessary things where I go put for bucket A. I go allow them small while I focus on bucket B. So I don't come bucket B now. For bucket B, this now like 15 liters of water. This one are like 5 liters of water. I go put my nitrosol. My nitrosol na thickener. Why I go use? We go make my liquid soap dey very thick. So as I put them now, I go dey turn them. Okay, so you don't see say my nitrosol don't dissolve. It don't dissolve. For my bucket B, what thing I put now 15 liters of water and my nitrosol. The next thing where I go add for here, this water now my sulfonic. As I dey add am, I dey stir am. My sulfonic acid. Quantity where I add now 1.5. I go add the remaining one. Okay, the next thing where I go add for here now my Texapon. I tell you say Texapon na emulsifier. Now wetin go help if you dey use anything where get soap, e go react with am, go make the thing break, so that the soap go, the oil, if you are using anything that has oil, it will help to break it so that the oil can be washed off well. So now wetin the work of Texapon, apart from the fact say e go make the liquid soap thick, and the fact say e go also make the liquid soap get plenty lather. So I go turn am. If you see, my soap done dey thick already. They thick already, as in stay, they react, they get thicker. The nitro soap, they get thicker and thicker. Okay, I don't tell us before say na bucket A be this and na bucket B be this. We don't already know what we put for bucket A, and we know what we put for bucket B. So now we want continue the production. I go turn bucket A into bucket B now, so that we go complete the production. All right, watch out. If you look well, you go see how it dey react. Don't see the reaction. Alright, una don see how our liquid soap dey foam. It means say the mixture, everything mix very well, you no get any seed, everything don mix well. We go now leave am for few minutes, make the foam come down small. Then we go add the remaining other items. Wetin remain now to add? Now our perfume, we go make am smell nice. The next thing na our vitamin E and our glycerin. So we go wait for some minutes, make the foam come down a little bit before we continue with our production. Right, thank you. Okay, welcome back to our YouTube channel, SabiMakeAm YouTube channel. We dey learn how to make liquid soap, and we don't do everything go far. We don't turn bucket A put inside bucket B. The next thing we go do now na to add color. Our color na oil-based color, na lemon color. Now our color na powder form. Abeg, no just carry the powder pour inside like that. you go dissolve am for small water like I don do now. I don dissolve our lemon color for small water and I go pour am inside the mixture. Color for our multi-purpose soap go be lemon color. So I go stir am, check whether e match with wetin I want or how I want make e look. Okay, another thing wey I go add for here na my perfume. But right before I add my perfume, I go add my glycerin. Remember wetin I tell you about glycerin? Make you no make my hand hard when I dey use am, so that e go make my hand soft. So I don add my glycerin there. The next thing where I go add na my vitamin. Okay, so we don add our color. The next thing where we go add for here na our preservative, our industrial salts. You fit add as preservative too. Okay, so you no go put am straight like that. I don dissolve am inside water. I go come pour am inside. The next thing I want add for here na my vitamin E, to also help to nourish the body. Okay, the last but not the least thing where I go add here na my perfume. So that as you dey use am, your liquid soap go dey smell nice. So I go allow am for some hours, make it clear. I go allow am make it clear, make it give me my colorless, clear, green, lemon colored liquid multi-purpose soap before I go package am. Thank you very much. Abeg, no forget to subscribe to this channel. This na SabiMakeAm YouTube channel. Please watch out for more videos.
Make una no forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at SabiMakeAm, or follow us on our social media platform at SabiMakeAm, or you fit even call us for this number. Thank you.